Hello all, welcome to the channel DEVOPS-TECHSTACK. I hope you all are doing safe and sound. So today I'm going to talk all about the git merge. In the last video I have already discussed all about the git rebase command, but today I will let you know how the git rebase command is different from the git merge. Okay, so basically both the things are used to integrate changes from one branch to another, but how is it different? In case of the git merge, it creates a new commit in the feature branch. That is the only difference between the git merge and git rebase command. I will show you the pictorial diagram also that will help you to understand it more deeply. Okay. So without any further delay, let's quickly start. Okay. Now, what I'm going to do over here, let me create a directory over here. Okay. Let's say mkdir test. Let's go inside this particular directory. So it says that directory is already existing. Just make it test1. Now let's go inside this particular directory. Now I am inside this particular directory. The very first command which we need to run is the git init command. Okay. Why we are running git init? So that this folder is being tracked by the git, and it is just used to initialize the repository so that it can be further tracked by the git. Okay, this command is already done. Now what we are going to do, currently you will see that you will be on the master branch. Git status you can try over here, and you will see that currently you are on the master branch. Let me just make a diagram so that it will help you to understand this further. Now what we are going to do, you are in the master branch, right? Here you are. Now what we are going to do, here we are going to create a commit. How the commit? Let's say M1 commit we are going to create. How to create this commit? For that, let's say I'm just creating one file over here, m1.txt. Okay, just add this particular file in the stage area. After that, commit this particular file. Okay, git commit -m, adding m1.txt, some message we are giving, right? These things I've already discussed in my last videos. If you haven't watched, then do watch that out. Okay, now what we are going to do, now from this particular master branch, you are going to create a feature branch. From here, you are going to create a feature branch, let's say. And on this feature branch, you are going to create one more commit over here. And that commit, let's say F1 commit. So let's try this stage. How to do it? Just first create a new branch with the option git checkout -b. Branch name is the feature, let's say. Okay, enter. Now you are inside the feature branch. Here just try to make some modification. Touch f1.txt. Okay. Now it is creating an empty file called as f1.txt. Add this to the stage area. Again, commit the change. Okay. Adding f1.txt. Right. Now what you are going to do, again let's go back to our master branch, for example. Okay, let's go back to the master branch again. And what I'm going to do over here, now I will make a commit over here. In this particular master branch, I will make a commit. Let's say, for example, I will make a m2 commit over here. Now we haven't merged or rebased these two branch, but I have just switched back to the master branch and I am trying to add one more commit called as m2 commit over here. Let's try. Touch m2.txt. Enter. Now just move the file to the stage area and then commit the change, right? Adding m2.txt. Done. If you do ls over here in the master branch, you will see just m1 and m2.txt is present over here. Here in this particular master branch, you have m1 and you have m2.txt. But in case of feature branch, now here you have m1 was already there because you have created the branch at this stage. After that, you created one more file over here that is called as the f1. But till this point, this m2 commit or this m2.txt file is not present in this particular branch, right? Till now, I hope you all have understood what I meant to say. But to include this m2.txt or m2 commit over this particular feature branch, you need to merge the branches together. How to do that? First, again, check out the feature branch. Done, right? After that, you do ls over here, you will see m2.txt is not present. Now you need to merge this particular feature branch with the master branch. So git merge and then the master branch, hit enter. Here it will ask you to put some commit message. Okay, so you need to put some commit message or merge message you need to pass over here. Go to the insert mode, press I in the keyboard, type some message over here, merge testing. Okay, or maybe learning merge commit, you can type something, then shift escape, then colon wq to save this particular commit message. Saved it, right? Done. Now what you are going to see, if you do ls over here, you can see that m2.txt is now present over this particular feature branch. Now this change m2.txt or this m2.txt or this m2 commit is present over the feature branch. That's only the agenda of the merge, how to integrate the changes from one branch to another, right? Now if you see, using the git log command, git log hyphen hyphen one line, you will see that along with the changes, that is adding m1.txt, adding f1.txt, till this point we were already there, right? After merging, only this particular commit ID should have came. But in case of merge, you will have one extra commit that is called as the merge commit, and this is the merge commit. So this is the only difference between the git merge and rebase. In case of merge, you will get an extra commit ID while doing the integrating the branches together. But in case of rebase, it will directly just keep all the commit ID and it will keep at this particular in top of the original commit ID that I've already shown in the previous video. You can check out that particular video. But in this video, I just wanted you to show the difference between the git merge and git rebase. Basically, both are used to integrate the two branches together. But this is only the difference between using the git merge and git rebase command. I hope this difference is quite clear to you. For upcoming videos, please do subscribe to the channel DEVOPS Tech Stack. Thank you for watching our videos. Thank you.